Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall VideoProc on Mac, full guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling VideoProc on your Mac, first, locate the VideoProc application in your Applications folder. Open a Finder window by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. In the Finder sidebar, click on the Applications section to view all installed applications. Scroll through the list and find VideoProc. Once you find it, click and drag the VideoProc icon to the trash can icon in your dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the VideoProc icon and select Move to Trash from the context menu. Next, you will need to empty the trash to fully remove the application. Right-click on the trash can icon in the dock and choose Empty Trash. To ensure all associated files are deleted, open Finder again. In the Finder menu at the top, click on Go, then select Go to Folder. In the dialog box that appears, type in this path. Inside the Library folder, you will look for any folders related to VideoProc. Check the Application Support, Caches, and Preferences folders for any VideoProc files. If you find any, move them to the trash as well. Now, go back to the Library folder. Also, check the Logs folder for any VideoProc log files and delete them. After you've removed everything, go back and empty the trash again to complete the process. You've successfully uninstalled VideoProc from your Mac, freeing up space and removing any associated files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.